Hey guys, this is why we always check the pins. Alright, so I slid the tendons on this trailer and it felt like it locked in, but now I look at the pins. I don't see no pins sticking out anywhere. That's exactly why you always got to check the pins and make sure they came out before you start driving. So we're gonna tug on the trailer again a little bit. Alright, that time I pulled on the trailer and I could hear them snap in, so let's take a look. There's one there. And there's the other one there. Now I'll go around and check the other side now. Okay, well this side looks good as well, so we're good to go. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Friday, June 20... What is today? Oh, June 28th, right. So welcome, glad you could be here. We just got done unloading here in Camillus, and we're getting ready to head over to Auburn, New York. Thanks for stopping by. Alright guys, we are rolling on out of our first stop on our way over to Auburn, New York. Probably going to be a pretty busy traffic day today, I imagine, being it's the Friday before 4th of July next week. So probably a lot of people are going to be on vacation starting this today. I think we got about 20 miles, 22 miles, something like that, over to the next stop, and then we should probably be empty there by 3:30 or so, 4 o'clock. And I'll start heading back south, and before I get to Binghamton, I'll find out if my load is going to be ready tonight or not for Monday. If it's going to be ready, which it should be, I don't know why it wouldn't. I'm going to head back down to Breinigsville and pick it up and then go on home. Yeah, I think they're closing the warehouse tonight at 10, so that's 2 hours earlier than what they normally close. So they must plan on having everything done. It's a pretty nice day, though it is definitely hot again today. That sun is strong. Showing 87 degrees here in Camillus. Guys, we are just arriving here at our second stop. Gotta go on in here, get checked in, and hopefully they put me right in the dock and we get unloaded quickly. Maybe. Okay guys, we made it here to Auburn. We're back in the dock. Gotta get this chock block put in. Yeah, they said they need about 30 minutes to clear the dock off before they start unloading me. That's fine. Got my auxiliary power unit running with the air conditioning going inside, full blast. But yeah, so boy, it'd really be nice to be by a lake or something like this today when it's this warm. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It is warm though. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Okay, we just got empty here at Auburn. Got to get the trailer tandem slid. Doors closed up before we get on our way. These door handles here are a little bit different than a lot of the ones. Yeah, those just latch a little bit different than some of the other ones. Not a bad system though. You don't need chains to hold the doors back or the doors open. Man, that sun's strong. Yeah, so we're going to be on our way down to Breinigsville. The load is ready. We're going to pick that up for Monday. And as I've been saying all along, things are going to start slowing down. As of right now, there is no loads for Tuesday. That's what I'm getting from the agent that I work with. And speaking to the guy in the office down in Breinigsville, he's telling me there's nothing on the schedule for us for Tuesday. So maybe we'll get to do a little bit different work. Kind of looking at some loads right now. I got to call into another agent that might have something for me. But we'll see. It is a holiday week and it is Friday afternoon. I'm kind of looking for something for Monday afternoon, so it's a little late in the game for that, but well, we'll get something going. If not, maybe I'll take the week off. Yeah, right. Be nice. All right, I'll finish up getting this trailer ready and we'll be on our way. Alright, we are coming into the town of Skaneateles, right on the north end of Skaneateles Lake, which is one of the Finger Lakes. Cool little town down here. Yeah, we're just coming up on the right here, the lake and the marina. Alright guys, I am here at Breinigsville. Get my empty unhooked here and go down to the office and get our paperwork. Be heading home, we'll get home and then it will be the weekend, thank goodness. Yeah, not really sure what's going to happen with the load situation. It's a really bad week next week for it to get slow here because it's a holiday week, so the regular freight's not going to be all that great. We'll just have to see what happens. Maybe I'll end up taking some time off or something. Yeah, I'm hearing from all my other buddies that are running the regular freight board that things are not too good on a regular freight board. But we'll just have to play it by ear. All right, what's we got for a seal number? 6860. That looks good. That's the right number. Guys, remember our plate? Should always make sure that plate's on your DOT bumper. Alright guys, everything looked good on that trailer, so we just need to finish up our paperwork. Seal matches and everything on the trailer tonight, so that's good. And we're going to be heading home. Probably going to stop for fuel in Binghamton on the way. We'll see. I think I need to be able to squeeze 60 gallons in there to get my Ultra One credits. Okay, let's get going. Alright guys, we're here at the TA truck stop in Binghamton, New York. Gonna top off my tanks. Okay, I got my fuel here at the TA in Binghamton, and we're gonna call it a night. We got about we got an hour and 20 minutes to get home. So I want to thank everybody for joining me here on the Trucker John Show. Come back and see me next time. And give me a like, leave me a comment down below, and think about subscribing if you haven't already. Okay guys, everybody take care now. We'll see you.